If you're ready to activate your trial, then just text that free trial to my telephone number. And then what are you going to get? So for this month's bonus package, I am currently offering a one-to-one strategy Zoom session with me through Zoom, so that this way I can listen, find out what it is that you want to be able to achieve with your new HighLevel trial, so that I can help connect the dots for you, because I know how much that HighLevel has impacted my life, but you don't know yet. And so I can share this with you real quick. If this is the first time that you've seen my channel, I'm going to say thank you. If you've been watching me for a while, I'm going to say thank you. And over my 27 years, I have learned a lot. I've made mistakes, and what I can save you in time is, that's, I swear, is the gold right there. I've successfully automated 2 different trade businesses. One happens to be my husband's auto repair garage. We did that about a decade ago, and it had a complete impact. And then my hair extension salon, I did 2 things differently. 25 years ago, I implemented online booking. So when you choose to work with me, you're not buying software. I'm going to say that you're actually leveraging time, because I love consulting. And I promise you that when we get on that call, I'll make it worth your time. Because one thing that I preach and I live is this: money is always replaceable. Time is not. And I'm not out to waste anybody's time. All right. So the other bonus that you're going to get is, you're also going to get my 40-page ebook that will help you, give you some tips on how to attract customers, how to automate, how to follow up, how to exceed people's expectations. And then you are also going to get 25 pre-made business emails that you can be able to use as a starting foundation point. So if you are starting and launching your email campaign because somebody has reached out to you, you don't even have to take the time to either use AI or try to think up the templates for yourself. And then of course, I also have a community. And before wrapping this up, what I do want to express to you that I find is the most valuable piece of HighLevel is the fact that they offer human live support. They are going to support you the whole entire way through onboarding. And there's one thing I have to mention, is that they don't charge for onboarding. I've used countless softwares over the decades where I've been charged for onboarding and had to use support tickets. So with HighLevel, you get high-level service, you get high-touch experience, and then with me, you get access with my bonuses to over a quarter of a century of hands-on, in-the-trenches experience. So whether you are a creative that needs to automate, I can help you. If you are a wannabe agency owner and want to be able to determine what you want to do as far as building your business and how to get up and running with an all-in-one platform, then you got to definitely click my link and take the trial for agencies. And and then the other thing too is that what I'm the strongest at is what my slogan says: build, automate, and monetize. Because when you learn how to implement automation into your business, and it doesn't matter what profession it is, you're going to be able to have a better quality work life, in my opinion, or I'll talk for myself. So thank you for watching. Text free trial to me, and I'll see you on the inside.